आज हम एक नया चैप्टर सीखेंगे, चैप्टर नंबर 6, दैट्स रिटायरमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर। ओके, ये चैप्टर लगभग एडमिशन ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर जैसा ही है। वही अकाउंट बनाएंगे जो हम उस चैप्टर में बना रहे थे। कौन कौन से? रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, सेकंड वन इज कैपिटल अकाउंट, third one is cash account, and fourth one is balancing. Here, 4 account we are going to prepare. Which one? Revaluation account. Second one is capital account. Third one is cash account, and fourth one is balancing. Okay. यहाँ पे retirement. Normally, admission of new partner क्या करते थे? The new partner will bring amount for capital and some amount for goodwill. That goodwill we are distributed among the old partner in sacrifice ratio. Admission में क्या होता था कि जो नया पार्टनर goodwill की अमाउंट आता था वो हम sacrifice ratio में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे। यहाँ क्या होगा? gain ratio डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। Here value of goodwill we are distributed among the partner in gain ratio. Okay. Here we have formula of gain ratio. Gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Is it? Here we have a formula of gain ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. तो यहाँ जो पार्टनर बचेंगे वो पार्टनर को गुडविल हम लोग गेन रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। ओके, यहाँ चैप्टर का नाम है रिटायरमेंट एंड डेट ऑफ पार्टनर। रिटायरमेंट मतलब यहाँ क्या होता है, एक पार्टनर जो है वो फर्म छोड़ के चला जाता है। रीजन शुड बी द एज लिमिट, रीजन शुड बी ओके मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी। ओके, रिटायरमेंट होने के बहुत सारे रीजन हैं। ओके, वो रीजन की हम बाद में बात करते हैं। और रिटायरमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो एक पार्टनर कंटिन्यूइंग पार्टनरशिप फर्म को लीव करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिटायरमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर। ओके, तो यहाँ हम 4 काम पढ़ाएंगे। देखते हैं पहले बनाएंगे रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, then we are going to prepare capital account, then we prepare cash account, last we are going to prepare a balance sheet. ओके, यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 फॉर रिटायरमेंट। ओके, हियर वी हैव क्वेश्चन, डबल, कमल एंड नवल आर द पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस इन 2:2:1। So here we have 3 partners, double, कमल and नवल। It's double, कमल and नवल। Old ratio दिया है, नवल is retired, here नवल is going to retire। Okay, now नीचे कुछ adjustment दिए हुए हैं। First adjustment, a value of machine is 25,000। Look at the balance sheet, the balance sheet machine is given 20,000। Okay, तो machine यहाँ पे दिया है आपको 20,000। Now, what is it? A value of machine is 25,000. 20 था 25 हो गया। तो 5,000 increase हुआ plus value of machine is increased by 5,000. So we can write here 25,000. Now here, a value of machinery is increased. Is increased, that means it's a profit for us. Profit where we are going to enter it? Credit side. Okay. We write here machine account. 5,000. The next value of stock is 5,000. Look at the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, stock is given 10,000. Is it? So here stock is given 10,000. Now market value of stock is 5,000. That means 5,000 कम हुई, minus reduce. Value of stock is reduced by 5,000. So now a new value of stock is 5,000. Here a value of stock is reduced. Reduced, that means it's a loss for us. Loss, where we are going to calculate? Debit side. We write that stock 5,000. Okay. The next, a value of investment is 8,000, which is taken over by Dhawan at this price. Investment is 8,000. Look at the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, investment is given 10,000. In other side, investment fluctuation fund is there 2,500. तो 10,000 में से हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड 2500 माइनस करेंगे, कितना आएगा 7,500. अब 7,500 की इन्वेस्टमेंट 8,000 में ले गई, वो टेकन ओवर नवन. ओके, इन नवन ले गई तो हियर नवन इज रिसीव्ड, कहां आएगा नवन में डेबिट साइड 8,000 और डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट. ओके, 7,500 की इन्वेस्टमेंट थे, वो नवन ले गया, कितने में ले गया 8,000. तो 500 प्रॉफिट हुआ. That 500 we are distributing among the partner. Investment fluctuation fund 500 we are distributing among the partner in 2:1. So here 200 and 100. Okay, इसको आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो इन्वेस्टमेंट 500. ये भी सही है और ये भी सही है, ठीक है. The next, an amount of 5,000 including in creditors is no longer payable. मतलब creditors में से अब 5,000 चुकाने नहीं है. Look at the creditors. Creditors is given in your balance sheet, liability sheet 15,500. Okay. Out of that 5,000 is now not to be paid. To minus reduce how much? Yes, 5,000. So now 10,500 we are going to pay for creditors. Now creditors is not to be paid. That means it's a profit for us. Profit, which side? Credit side we are going to pay. Creditors right here 5,000. Okay. The next, a provision for worker compensation is to be created 2,000. A provision for worker compensation is to be created 2,000. Look at the balance sheet. In balance sheet, worker compensation is not given. Now, provision करना है हमको, तो कहाँ से याद रखिए worker accident compensation. How much 2,000? अब नहीं था, अब इसका करना है provision. मतलब क्या होगा? लॉस होगा. लॉस कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ आएगा. Worker accident compensation fund. Amount is 2,000. Okay. The next. The provision for doubtful debt is to keep 10% on debtors. Debtors पे 10% better reserve का maintain करना है. Look at debtors. Debtors is given in the balance sheet 30,000. Is it? Debtors is given 30,000. Minus better reserve. How much? 10%. So 30,000 minus 10% is 3,000. So here outer amount is 2,700. Okay. Now, better reserve is already given 2,000. Look at the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, liability side, better reserve is given 2,000. 2,000 था, अब कितना हो गया 3,000. मतलब better reserve 1,000 इंक्रीज हो, तो कहाँ आएगा 1,000? लॉस हुआ ना, तो यहाँ आएगा better reserve 1,000. The next, goodwill of a firm is valued 40,000. Goodwill of a firm is valued 40,000. Here rules क्या है? जो बंदा रिटायर हो रहा है, goodwill उसको मिलेगी. Here who is going to retire? Naval. तो नवल का साइज कितना है? होलसेल की आपको 2:1. इसमें नवल का साइज कितना है? 1/5. तो 40,000 into 1/5. मतलब कितना आएगा? 8,000. 8,000 we are given to Naval. Right here. Goodwill. Naval में 8,000. 8,000. That 8,000 will give Deepak and Kamal. Okay. Dhawan and Kamal. Dhawan and Kamal will give that amount 8,000 in 2:2. That means 4,000 is given by Dhawan and 4,000 is given by Dhawan. What will I do? Will I take goodwill? Okay. Now adjustment is almost finished. Now remaining entry. First of all, capital. Capital we are recording in capital account only. Balance brought forward. 30,000. 20,000. And 10,000. Okay. That general reserve Also we are distributed among the partner in old ratio. That means 2000, 2000 and 1000. Investment fluctuation. We already recorded. Bad debt reserve finish. Creditors finish. Goodwill. The old amount of goodwill we are distributed among the partner in old ratio. Okay. We have goodwill. 10,000 we are distributed. 4,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Is it? Then machine finish, investment finish, debtors finish, stock finish. Cash we are recorded in cash account. What we have balance? Brought forward 5,000. Here there is no more entry in cash account. Then we close the cash account. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. What we have to write the balance? Carry forward. Okay. So cash we write here 5,000. Okay. The sum is almost finished. First of all, is try to close that reverse account. That account we have transferred to the capital account, and then we close balance sheet. Okay. So total here 10,000. Here also 10,000. 10,000 minus 8,000. That means 2,000. It's a divisible profit. That profit we are distributed among the partner double, cover and novel. In which ratio 2:1. Okay. So here 800, 800 and 400. That amount we transfer to the capital account. What we write here? We write the divisible profit 800, 800 and 400. Now first one is close the partner's account, which is retire. Here Noel is going to retire. The total of Noel 10,000 plus 8,000. 18,000 plus 900. Now 1,000. 19,000. So here total is 19,500. Here also 19,500 minus 10,000. So here 9,500. Now Noel is going to retire. What we have to write here loan account. Because here we transfer to the loan account. Loan account we transfer to here. Balance sheet that side. What we have to write here Noel's loan account. Amount is 9,500. Then we close double and cover. That amount what we have to write here balance. Carry forward. Okay. That amount where we have to put it here. Capital. डबल एंड कवर. ओके. उसके बाद ये क्लोज करेंगे. टोटल 29 रहेगी. ओके. तो ये आज का पहला सम था रिटायरमेंट का. ओके. आई होप सो आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. कुछ डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें ताकि हम आपके डाउट सॉल्व कर सकें. ठीक है. आज के इतना ही. कल फिर से मिलेंगे एक नए सम के साथ. तब तक खुदा.